How have you been doing today? First of all, good evening. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
How have you been doing today?
Ma'am, today I'm just recently reached at home from my office.
Okay. So we are
Yes,
meeting
ma'am.
very first time. So please could you introduce a little bit for my audience so we can aware.
Okay. Ma'am, my name is Vinod Pawar. I am from Maharashtra, Pune, Maharashtra, and I have completed. I completed my MBA, and I am now working in financial sector in Pune. So that's pretty much
Financial
about me.
sector. It means you are a banker?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So that's nice and great. Sounds great. If I talk about myself,
Thank you.
my name is Monica. I am
Okay.
from MP Gwalior, and by
Okay.
profession, I am a teacher. And since last 10 years, I am teaching and in a
Okay.
different private sector. And if I talk about my
Okay.
qualifications, I have done masters in English and B.Ed honors and qualified
Okay.
two exams regarding teaching. That is CTET
Okay.
exam and others, small exams. And now I am
Okay.
working on my communication skills as well. I am a YouTuber also. Simultaneously, I am
Okay.
a homemaker and mother of two kids. And for enhancing my communication skills, I am working last 6 months. I started my YouTube channel and it is responding good by according my performance, and I am satisfied with that. That's
Yes.
all about me.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. I have seen many videos of you in YouTube and in our
Okay.
also group.
So you said
So
you told me that
I
you are not you have no good command over this language. So
yes,
I
yes,
have to
yes, yes,
say, I would like to say, suggest you that you should
yes,
come forward and
yes,
forget everything like hesitation or good command over English. No, if you want to
yes,
get overcome from hesitation like or facing the camera, if you have any kind of difficulty, so you should come
yes.
forward for the practice like this kind of practice session, video call sessions, so that you can remove your
Mm,
hesitation.
o- okay, ma'am. This is a first session with you.
Yes, this is the
Before
first.
that, I have none of the any one session because I am not facing. First time I am facing camera, and
Okay,
first
okay,
time I am in front of camera. So,
okay. So
uh,
this is also a good thing for you.
so yes, 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 and first time I'm talking with anyone uh, for to with
Yes,
in
yes.
front
So you have
by
your
video
YouTube
calling.
channel? You have?
Ma'am, I have YouTube channel, but I don't use for any kind of videos. I don't use many years. I don't use this. Uh, but now I think I starting upload short videos on this
Yes,
channel.
yes. You should start your short videos or as well as whenever you get time long videos, enhancing your
Yes,
skills and update to yourself, because this is very necessary. As you are a banker, so your English should be good. And if yeah, I would say
yes,
I I go whenever I band and I go bank for my personal work. So there are all the
yes,
staff are very sophisticated and educated, and they also speak in
yes,
English most of the time with the
yes, ma'am.
customers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Exam.
so that's why
Yes, yes,
your
yes.
English would be.
Uh, yes, you feel that, but not much good. My English. I'm improving my English. So many times in my branch, coming IT sectors customer and retired customers, they have very fluent in English. So that time I can't face to him, and that time uh, I can't able to handle
Hmm.
that this
Because you
situation.
have no
So
you are lackness of practice. If you do practice every day with the different people or different YouTubers, you will be good. You would be good command over this language, right?
yes, yes, yes.
So can
Sometimes
yes.
whenever I talking, yes, please continue, ma'am.
Yes, I'm saying you that we should go any particular topic or as a flow conversation. You should go.
Okay, okay. Whenever I'm talking with them, that time words not coming in my mind. My mind was
Blank.
blank.
At that time, you
Yes,
felt blank because yeah,
yes,
these
yes,
things
yes,
occurred lackness of practice only. If you do practice every day,
yes.
your simple conversation, use simple sentence of structure,
Okay,
you should remove
okay,
your hesitation as well. Slowly and
okay,
by, you can see yourself within 6 months. You will be perfect. Because before that,
okay,
before started my YouTube channel, I am as usual in my teaching field, so I used to language. Yeah, I used to speak this language for our in our school also, and our friend
okay.
circle also, whenever I get time. And when I got to
Yes,
know
ma'am.
that, yeah, English is very compulsory in every sector, every field.
Yes,
So,
yes, yes,
yeah, this is our
yes,
language
ma'am. Yes,
and this is our international
is
language also. So we have to
yes, ma'am. Yes,
working hard, very diligently.
yes, ma'am. This is an international language, but uh, usually, each and everyone is speak in English. Many like government employees and like many places, bank, uh,
Yes,
like railway stations, and many places they can uh, usually use this
yes,
language.
yes,
So that's why is necessary uh, speak in English. And I in day by day I improving a little bit my conversation and my also improving my
yes.
English knowledge.
Because you have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
some stuff for simple language. Only you should use simple sentence structure, and you should go through in your practice. Don't need to advanced level structure or hi-fi structure in English.
Oh,
Yeah, sometime we are not fluent, we are beginner. You are beginner at present now, so
yes,
sometime we
yes,
use our accent, our mother tongue accent also, and okay, and our local dialect also sometime. And because we have not good practice at present, but slowly as we go smoothly in our simple conversation, so we these this kind of small errors like Hindi accent using or fabulation, this kind of problems will be stuckness, and these kind of problems will be removed slowly and by whenever you get into this language. Okay, and
okay.
yeah, I will
So
give you some questions. I want
yes, ma'am.
to yeah discuss with you some questions, and are you ready for sharing these questions with you?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, I try to answer that
Okay,
questions.
okay,
I will
okay.
try.
So my first
Yes,
question related to conversation like career growth. Okay, for the coming
yes,
generation,
yes,
some general professional topic like now importance of networking in our
yes.
India. Or I would say,
India.
what is the importance of networking? As you are a banker, so if you have a little bit knowledge about networking, how can we use this networking? How housewives or women use networking? Tell me something about it.
Ma'am, I have heard many times about that, about networking, like
Yes,
uh, network business. They 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 how to work. They
yes,
um, like a chain working. They join to each and every people. I join, and then I 2% uh, in my group join. I think that type is networking, but
yes.
not much more about knowledge about this. But I heard sometimes many times, but
Okay, I will
I
explain
don't
you what is the
deep
networking
knowledge
in a,
about that.
okay, two lines. In two lines, I want to
Yes,
explain you what is
network
the network.
marketing. Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
like the
yes, yes.
marketing is the different one,
Network
and
marketing.
networking is the different point.
Yes,
Okay, networking is a very important like
yes,
professional skills. Okay, it means like building,
yes, yes.
maintaining relationships with the people who can help you grow personally and professionally. As you told me right now, like a chain, like a this is this chain system,
Ten.
one person to another person, how to
Yes,
connect
yes.
in our networking. Like,
Another
for
person.
example,
Yes,
we are all the
yes, yes,
YouTubers, and there are two or three groups in a
yes,
WhatsApp groups. I am
yes,
added, you are
yes,
also added. This is a networking, right? This is the networking.
yes,
This
yes,
is the
yes,
professional growth,
yes,
development. We are
yes,
developing, we are living in developing country, and we are developed day by day slowly. Before
yes,
adding
yes, yes, yes,
these WhatsApp groups, I have to mailed five or six mailed every day for the conversation, right? But now I am very
yes,
comfortable because there is a good network around me. Network is going on. Like
yes,
many YouTubers
yes,
are connected in one group or two group, and we are also added already. And we should contact them easily. Are you free for the
yes,
conversation?
yes,
Like I am messaging you, right? This is the networking. This is the
yes, yes, yes,
personally and professional growth
yes.
that is called networking.
Growth. Yes. Okay, okay. I think I feel you talk about network marketing, so that's why I am confused.
No, no,
Uh,
no. That is
network
yeah,
marketing
yeah.
is
Network marketing is another thing.
another thing, and yes, yes. So
Yeah.
I confused, so I can't talk about that
Okay.
much
So
more.
it is easy now, na?
So,
I am
so ma'am.
explaining you. So you got my point? Or
Yes, yes, ma'am.
okay.
Uh,
Networking of
yes, yes.
people,
I
actually.
can.
Yeah, tell me
Yes,
something about.
I
Yes, yes.
yeah, I understand. So, ma'am, network marketing. Yeah, network marketing is. I am also doing this job.
Okay,
Uh,
okay. So you explain me
I
network
yes.
marketing also. What is the network marketing? Please tell me something about it. But I am not aware, bit.
Uh, Ma'am, but I explain, but I can't explain because I making structure of a sentence. So I can't making structure of sentence. So that's why uh, I have knowledge about that, but like how
You speak
can I say?
in your mother tongue. No worry.
I can't. Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah, you speak. You
So
can speak in your mother
that's
tongue.
why.
Oh, no, no worries. I have no problem.
Yeah, but मैम नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग मीन्स कैसा होता है कि
Yeah.
अभी जो एक रेफरेंस टाइप होता है, रेफरेंस टाइप भी हम ये करते हैं नहीं क्या कि हाँ ये कस्टमर है तो इसका रेफरेंस, और ये पहचान वाले ये नेट, ऐसी चेन भी होती है।
Yes,
जिस
yes,
जिस जिस
it's working like a chain. Okay, you should use small
यस
sentences.
यस, so
Easy bird. Yeah.
yes, yes. So that this type of work, that's called networking, right?
Yes, yes.
I I
Okay, so
I
how
think.
can help network help us? How does network help us for finding the opportunities, finding like a job opportunities? How network help us?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. Many times they suggest there are vacancies, and many times friends and many relatives, yeah, and many our friend circles, they suggest uh, they there are vacancies, and much more times they can text message, and they suggest, you should go there, and you
Yes,
should
yes.
uh, interview there. So that's why it's helpful each and everyone. So
Yeah.
that's called
And it
networking,
gives
right?
us
Am I right?
new ideas and knowledge also. It gives us our building confidence,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Because we are all the
Yes, yes, yes.
YouTuber family, in a Amir Roshan group.
Yes,
Like, for
yes,
example, I am giving you Amir
yes,
Roshan group is there, and I am added. So many people are
yes,
added in that group. They are all the
yes,
YouTubers.
yes,
Okay, so they have created
yes,
a network. They have created a network.
yes,
They always ready to help each other for building your
yes, ma'am.
confidence, for having a lot of
Yes, yes,
ideas and knowledge, for making the videos,
yes,
right? So
yes, yes.
we are increasing, yeah, we are doing great
Whenever,
for the by the networking we have a lot of opportunities. By adding different kind of groups,
yes, yes,
we find easily our partner, our practice partner, right? Because we have to, if we are
yes,
not
yes,
added these groups, we have to facing some difficulties, like we have to mail different YouTubers, then they answering us after 2 or 3 days. Then you are able to conduct your session with them. But if we have a good
yes,
network around us, we have added 2 or 3 groups, so this is our network. It helps us our communication skills, right?
yes, yes, yes. And build up confidence, and your increase your knowledge.
Yes.
Sometimes I talking on this group with many types of there are available persons, people, uh, who is who is Uttarakhand, who is Gujarat. They about that their weathers, and they about that their cultures, and so that time I have increased our knowledge. So that time, and many more when practice speaking with them. So that time, I feel confident with talking with them.
Right.
So is this is a important network is important now. Relating
So how many kind of
learning
networking
something.
is there? Networking. How many kinds of networking are there? Tell me types of networking.
Uh,
You know. If you know, comfortably. If you
uh,
know, if you don't know, I will
yes,
explain you.
like
You thought that I am a teacher,
change.
I am taking you as an interview. No, there is not at all thinking.
No,
Please
no, ma'am.
don't think
No,
that
ma'am.
I am taking
Like
your interview.
chain networking. No, no, ma'am. No, ma'am. But my first time my conversation with in Zoom,
Yes, yes, yes.
and
That's why you hesitate, yeah.
that's
But
why I'm
I would say
little
your English
nervous.
will be good if you do practice daily or regularly.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So, ma'am, I have one question. Uh, how I make a sentence structure,
Okay.
and
How do you make your
yes,
sentence structure? Okay. So
yes,
you are
yes, yes,
facing excuse me, you are facing this kind of sentence structure problem. So one thing I will suggest you, first of all, you should try, you have one notebook on pen with you. And
Yes.
whenever you like go through your short videos, first of all, you write down in your notebook. Write down in your notebook small
Okay.
sentences. Write down, and you should
Okay.
upload your short video regularly. Regularly. Like
Okay.
for example, I will giving you common thing like wake up. This is the phrasal verb. Wake up. We should wake up early in the
Yes.
morning. Wake up means जागना,
Early in the
उठना,
morning.
सुबह जल्दी उठना. It
Jagna.
means हमें
Yes.
these wake up is things awake like early in the morning. If we wake up, 4 or 5 lines you should make, small sentences you should make on this phrasal verb wake up.
Okay.
So you should write down
Wake up.
on your notebook or your diary. Then you open your mobile or camera and you should uh, mm, like speak out. Speak out in front of the camera for the short
Okay.
video. You are stuck in, are you,
Okay.
if you stuck any somewhere in any sentence, so you can see on your notebook. You can see why and
Okay.
gradually you should get efficiency. You should get you should like get like a smooth way for if you do practice daily making the structure on your diary. Write down 4 or 5 sentences daily, so that you can remove your this problem. You can remove the problem of stuckness or making the structure. It helps you a lot.
Okay.
It will help you a lot, I would say. Yes.
Okay.
And you
So,
should
ma'am,
upload
one
your
thing more.
short video also. You should upload your short video.
Okay.
Yeah, this is your verbal practice and your remove your hesitation also. Two in one, it is working. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Ma'am, one more thing. Ma'am, it's really grammar is most important
No.
while speaking.
Grammar actually is important. Only basic grammar you should learn, like basic sentences, tenses.
Yes.
You have knowledge of tenses. Like there are three tenses. I think there are 12 tenses in our grammar, but
Yes.
basically three: present, past, and future. Grammar structure is
Yes.
by using in our speaking is essential, but not so much grammar is essential for speaking. Only basic things you should need to know.
Okay.
Okay.
So, ma'am, I doubt from these things. Uh, uh, grammar is not important, but uh, how can I make sentence I am going to office? So, like in this sentence, am, is, are. So this is the grammar part and
Yes,
ing
yes.
and like that.
I
So
already
verbs.
told you
So
that grammar is essential, but not the whole grammar. Like a intermediate grammar or college, like sentence structure making, you
okay.
have to master of overall tenses. Overall, you have to working on the tenses structure, like present, past, and future. You should know very well. If you know the tenses, 12 tenses
Okay.
you have to know very well for for making the
Yes.
sentences,
Yes.
right? Whenever you go to speak
Okay.
out
Okay.
from your mouth, your English should not be correct. Every time should not be correct. Fumbleness, sometime I also making mistake while speaking. But if you practice daily
Okay.
one tense daily, you should be 12 days, 12 tenses. You should take 12 days for one tense daily. Like a present example, present tense. You should, like a small
Yes.
story, in front of your camera, you should speak out and record your voice daily. For example, present tense. I'm giving
Okay.
you small
Yes.
quick story. मैं सुबह जल्दी उठता हूँ.
Okay.
मैं सुबह 6 बजे उठ
Yes.
जाता हूँ. हाउ टू मेक इट. हाउ टू मेक इट.
जल्दी उठता.
यस.
I I woke up early morning.
I wake up early in the morning and
I wake up
मैं सुबह उठ के
early
अपना
morning.
या मैं सुबह उठ के नाश्ता करता हूँ। उसके बाद मैं ऑफिस जाता हूँ। हाउ टू मेक इट?
I wake up early morning and then I uh,
टेक माई
take a
ब्रेकफास्ट।
breakfast and then I go take my breakfast and then I go to my office.
लाइक दिस स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस। सुबह
Yes.
उठ के मैं जैसे मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करता हूँ, आफ्टर दैट मैं ऑफिस जाता हूँ। मुझे ऑफिस में मैं ऑफिस में 8 घंटे काम करता हूँ। सो हाउ टू मेक इट?
Yes. Uh, I am working in
करता
my
हूँ इट
office
मीन्स
8
आई
hours.
वर्क 8 आवर्स। आई
I
वर्क
work 8 hours
इन दी
in
ऑफिस,
office.
इन माई
I
ऑफिस।
work yes, I work 8 hours in my
यस
office.
यस। एंड
So
आफ्टर
that
मैं
that type
अपने ऑफिस से 8 बजे लौट कर आता हूँ। पूरा टेंसेस हम प्रेजेंट टेंस पर फोकस करेंगे, ओनली प्रेजेंट टेंस पर। सिंपल प्रेजेंट पर फोकस करेंगे।
oh,
1 डे,
okay,
2 डे चैलेंज प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस, फिर 3 डे
okay,
चैलेंज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस,
one
फिर
day.
4th डे चैलेंज प्रेजेंट
Yes,
परफेक्ट
yes, yes.
कंटिन्यूअस। दैट इज ऑल। फर्स्ट
Continue
आपका
tense,
वन
right?
टेंस इज completed ऑल
One tense,
4 days।
4 types.
Yeah, 4 types. Each
Okay,
tense has the 4 types. Like present, like
four
past is
types.
same,
Yes,
future also same. Yes, yes. Only helping verbs will be
yes,
changed there, and identification will be changed of each tense. So first of all, you should
yes,
learn. You should
yes.
learn by your record your voice in your mobile,
Okay,
and to 5 or 6 sentences,
okay,
small story you should take daily and practice more and
okay,
more. Only tenses
okay,
practice. Simple vocabulary you know very well.
okay.
Yeah. And
Yes, yes,
in
ma'am.
group you
I
are
understand
different.
even.
Yes, yes. Yes, tell
Yes,
me. Yeah,
yes.
continue
I
please.
understand. I understand conversations and podcasts each and every. I watch many podcasts on
You
YouTube
got na?
and like
But while you are speaking, you stuck, because this is the reason only. You
yes, yes,
should lackness of practice of tenses regarding you lackness of the
yes,
like a
yes, yes,
simple
yes,
vocabulary or simple word using. Na? So you should start from today's
yes,
onward. I would say you should use one tense daily. Record your voice, then listen your voice. What are you saying in that video,
yes, yes,
and you upload your channel. It is also
yes, yes.
beneficial to you for two-in-one working for you. Okay, so only 5 minutes are left for
Okay.
wrapping up the session.
So
And yeah, you just ask
okay,
me
okay.
if any kind of difficulty you are facing right now, so you can ask me.
Uh, like ma'am, yes. Uh, Sometimes ago I say whenever I speak, that's enough because you tell me many more tips and tricks. So while speaking, whenever you stuck in while speaking, so definitely I work on that, and definitely next time sure I
Yes, yes.
on
And definitely I will show
uh,
you
video.
improve
So
yourself next time when we will meet in a
yes,
next session.
yes, ma'am.
So
Yes.
you could be improved your English.
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes. Thank you.
So best
Okay.
of luck
Thank
for
you, ma'am.
your future, and be connected
Okay, ma'am.
and stay tuned. Have a great.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am, giving this opportunity. Okay.
Yes,
Thank
yes.
you.
And please give me your feedback on my channel. When I upload this video on my channel, you should give me feedback. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. I
Okay.
already, ma'am, each and every videos I like and my comments below
Okay.
your
Okay.
videos.
What is your
So,
ID, channel ID?
ma'am, Vinod Pawar.
Okay.
Vinod Pawar.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
I will check.
My
Okay. Thank
name
you
is
so much
yes.
for this gratitude. Have a nice day and
Okay.
meet
Thank you,
again.
ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Me too, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Okay, bye.